All right, so here we are. It is August 19th. Now, I was not going to do a honey super video today. I was going to do all one, but maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see. But if you look in the background of this, that's coming through. Goldenrod this week because of the rain we just had. Not much, but what we did get has started to flower. So maybe, I'm not saying it'll be in there now, but I want to get an idea of where we're at. Whew. Hello, ladies. Wow. Anyways, I'd say goldenrod, see them on it within the next week. So goldenrod's starting, and unfortunately, I think it's early. Not quite sure, I'll have to look again, but whew, ladies, there's a lot up top here. Unfortunately, I haven't treated yet, and I still can't because it's supposed to get really hot tomorrow and Friday. So I think this weekend I'm gonna have to come back. It just we haven't had cooperating weather to treat. So that's where we stand, and so we're just gonna take a little mosey through here, see what we got for in the honey super, and go from there. Like I said, we're the last video, what I did was I leveled everybody out. Everybody should have 2 supers of drawn comb, and if all goes well, I'll take a box, I'll leave them a box, and that'll be the fall flow. So we'll see. I have not seen any, ooh, look at that, capped honey. So I have not seen any, make sure you're seeing what I'm seeing, Japanese knotweed in bloom yet. So I think those are my 2 big, whew, the sun's coming out now. So the one thing I have to say is when I leave these frames on, I don't have to worry about feeding, as you can tell. That looks really good. That one's practically done. So yeah, I don't want to have to come through and feed. So the way I do it is I leave them at least a box. And then depending on the size, especially when she starts to slow down, we just had that big drought. I mean, we're looking at, those 2 are close. But those are brand new drawn frames. I think what I did was when I added back, ooh, look at that. This is actually going to be a heavy box. I didn't think there was that much in here. When I came through, the empties frames went in the bottom. Look at this, girls. We are, I gotta say, my other hives do not look, I got a couple that have 3 supers on, and it's kind of spread out, but this is, I mean, look at these. That's 2. You're looking at 4 or 5 frames right there. Very close. Okay, girls. Oh yeah, look at you. This is a nice wasp. Got him. Got him, ladies. I got him. I got your back. So anyways, I'm gonna just cop a couple more here. Take a look. I mean, look at, that's got some room. But those are brand new frames. So like I said, the space I gave them was underneath, closest to the brood chamber. And we'll see that in a minute, but whoa! All right, that's not worked. Top super is 60% done, I would say. Maybe even 70% done. Wow, ladies. So what I did is I spread out the comb to everybody. All my new hives got drawn comb. So if I give these girls anything, it's gonna have to be undrawn, which I don't expect them to, but it'll be more for space. Wow, that actually has some weight to it. Wow. And I just saw another hive beetle. And I don't know what it is this year, but I have hive beetles. where I've never had them before. I mean, I've had a one or two, especially in a weak hive. But this year I'm getting hive beetles. Very weird. All right, so this is you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Is that right? All right, so this is all drawn frame. So that top one is pretty full. And this one here is pretty empty, which I expected. So that's what I did. I just got them ready for the goldenrod, knotweed, whatever else we get in the fall. I think that'll be it. So yeah, this has got some weight to it right there. Right there. Dome is open though. Leaving the dome open. But what I'm gonna do is, because I'm probably not gonna add that, that's wide open. Plenty of room, ladies. So they will have plenty of room. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably not add a third, and this will force them to fill those dome spots like that right there. You see how it's already capping in the corners? And yet this is completely open, so they're still doming for the queen. And I'm not quite sure. So yeah, that's it. Plenty of space. Got them ready. This is what I wanted. Plenty of space. All right, I'm just gonna pop one more. Yeah, so we're wide open. Wide open. All right, so we are good to go. Goldenrod, let's go. Bring it.